Alright, let's do long division first. Marco, x goes in x third how many times?
Wait, x to the second.
Marco, what do you do next?
You multiply.
Let's multiply. X squared times x?
X to the third power.
X squared times 3?
3 to the second power, or 3x to the second power.
There you go. UN, what do I do next? Let's use my special red pen. UN, 1 minus 1. 8 minus 3. And what's after that? Good job. Brandon, what do you do next? She just brought it down. Yeah, so she brought it down. You're going to repeat, so you're going to divide. Brandon, what two things am I going to divide? Everyone put your fingers on it. Show your partner. Get a head nod. Brandon, which two? Yep. How many times is x going to 5x squared?
5x.
Correct. Positive, right?
Yeah.
Remember, if you need to, you can do the side problem. 5x squared is 5 times x times x. And then divided by x. Your x's will cancel. And then you're left with the 5x. Hopefully you feel a little bit more comfortable after a couple of days, and you don't need the side problem, but if you still need it, do it. Mylene, what do we do next? Mylene, what do you do next? Huh? Let's multiply. Good job. Saul, what's next? Let's do it. Yeah, 5 minus 5 is 0. 7 minus 15 is negative 8x is correct. Saul, what do you do next? Let's bring it down. Diego? X goes to negative 8x? What do you do after that?
Multiply.
Go ahead and multiply.
Is 8x minus 24.
And Jasmine, if I subtract here, yeah, negative 8 minus negative 8 is opposite of negative 8. This is positive, this is negative, so it's 0. 5 minus negative 24, opposite of negative 24 is positive, so 5 plus 24 is 29. Okay, that was step number 1. That was to determine the quotient using the polynomial long division. So, what do we need to do? Step number 2, write the dividend in green, right? Put your finger on the dividend. There it is. There's my dividend. This is called the dividend. X cubed plus 8x squared plus 7x plus 5 Write the dividend as a product. So the dividend is equal to the product. We have to multiply these. The divisor. Put your finger on the divisor. Like a sun visor. You're outside. It's outside there. That is the divisor. That is x plus 3. Product times the quotient. Quotient is the answer. Put your finger on the answer. What's this one? Quotient's on the top. Put those in parentheses. X squared plus 5x minus 8. Okay. And then it says plus the remainder. So put your finger on the remainder. Now, pay attention. Plus the remainder. The remainder is not just 29. What would you do in long division? What did I tell you guys? What did we do with this 2 up here? Do I just put 2 up there? The simple one is 3R2, yes? But you can't do that. You take the 2, you put it on the top of the fraction, the numerator, and then you take the divisor and you put it into the denominator. So this goes on top, that one goes on the bottom. So on the top will be plus 29, and then the bottom will be x plus 3. Okay, why do you do that? If you actually multiply x plus 3 times the orange, you will get the green. But the pink, you still need to get that plus part, so x plus 3 times this, the x plus 3's will cancel out and you're just left with 29. Okay? So this is what you need to do for question number 3.